Hello everyone. Today we have got something really exciting to share with you. If you are in interior design business like me, you understand how crucial it is to communicate your vision to the client effectively. That's why I am thrilled to introduce you to the latest feature from Dzylo, which is virtual tour and concept board. Yes, you heard right. With this new addition, taking a client to future space has never been this easy. So, we'll dive into to see how to make the stunning virtual tour and concept board. So first we'll make a virtual tour and then we'll dive into the concept board. For the virtual tour, you're gonna need a 360-degree images, and for concept board, well, let's see. So here we come to make your virtual tour first. So to make your virtual tour, we'll first go to one.desiglo.com as I have already opened this screen, and then here you will find your virtual tools on the left hand side. If you don't find your tool, then please ask admin to give you the access, and we're going to open the virtual tool. As you can see, I have already made two tools here. So one is concept board and one is tool, which you can actually define by, if you click on virtual tool here, you will find the one tool that is made in virtual, and then this is the concept board. Now if I wanna create one more virtual tool, so here I am gonna click on this tool icon, this plus icon. Now it will ask you for the two option, virtual tool and concept board. As we said, we are gonna first dive into the step-by-step process of virtual tool. So here we go. Now give any name. Suppose you are naming your client. I guess that will be more easy for you. As you can see, it is written here that upload your floor plan to get started. So we are going to click here. We are going to select our floor plan wherever you have saved it. I have saved it here, so this is my floor plan. Okay, you might not be able to see in where I have from where I have uploaded, but it was in my downloads folder. So I uploaded it from there. You can upload wherever you have saved it. You can change your name from here. It will take the by default name which is there, and then select the image type as it is a 2D image, normal image. No confusion, just image type will be image. While adding image, you can see a panel of the image will come. You can see the images here. Now, to make a virtual tool, I have to add 360-degree images, as I told you. So I'll upload some images. I have already uploaded one image, which name is master bedroom front view, and I'll select the image type here as 360 because I have uploaded a 360-degree image. Now let's see. Okay, now the image is uploaded and you can see here. Wow, I guess the room design is good now. I mean, it looks good. So this is the image, and these are all the icons that you can see. This is for the connecting 360 room. This is for the connect flat image. This is to add some information. This is to add the product link, to set a north view and the initial view. As you can see here it is written right click to add an info spot. So these same icons you will find it while if you will click right click in on a mouse in is on your screen, you will get the same icons here. Okay, and if you want, you have already memorized that the right click will come with icon, you can just minimize this button. So I'll add more images. While doing this, I'll fast forward the video so that you don't get bored. Okay, so now I have added three more images. One is for the guest room, the other is for the lobby, and let's start connecting these rooms. Actually create a stunning like virtual tool which you can share with your client. So here I have added one photo for the master bedroom. So here I can drag it from here also. And as I've already told you, you can just do the right click and add your image. So I'll add my master bedroom. Now you have to name. I can write just MB and submit. You can see the master bedroom is created. If you want to shift this icon, you can do that also. You can shift it in any where you want, more comfortable with. Now I'll do the same with guest bedroom. As I can say, I could right click or just drag the icon. So I'm gonna right click and I'll just add my guest bedroom here. It might be very easy to just go from the plan if your client can see, okay, the something is connected here. And here comes the dining and living area. So if you can see, I want my okay, here I can connect the dining and living area. Lobby summit. Okay, if you want to add something here also, suppose the 360 degree is not yet made, but you have some kind of concept to actually give your client for the kitchen. So just remember, you can add a 2D image also here. And well, you don't need to have that 2D image in your computer. You can just take it from our library, which is this, while clicking. So here it came. After I clicked on this inspiration button, you can get this. Isn't this amazing that you are getting all the images here? You don't have to like literally have to have some kind of images in your background in your desktop. So I light your kitchen and see so many options just came by. I'll just select this one. You can select as many as you want if you want to give more idea, or maybe you just want them to just select themselves with the colors. I'll add these images to my image panel. And as you can see, the picture is not visible here, the background. So I'll just minimize this. Very simple. And I'll add my 2D image. For 2D image, there's this icon, very clear icon. And as you can see, there's no name here. So here you'll get a preview. Now I am more interested to add only this image because this looks more perfect that anyone can understand. I'll add my kitchen here. I'll just bring back the panel and I'll just delete this image because I don't need it anymore. Now I'll go room by room and connect another images with that room. So I'll do that. Here, this is the master bedroom. It will be connected with the lobby area. So I'll just connect the master bedroom. Somewhere here might be the gate which is not visible here. So here I'll just drag it, connect it to the lobby, write it here lobby and submit. Okay, I go back to the lobby area, do the same here. I'll connect this lobby area, this door in the lobby area to my master bedroom. Submit. So in this whole screen, you can also see the image details here. As you can see, there is a name of the image, there is a type, info. So right now I haven't added any info. So you can see here zero, product is zero, image is zero, not, and initial position is zero. So suppose this is the image. Now I am gonna set my initial not. I just have to select this knot and just drag it. Simple, it is set. And here you can see the green tick, which is telling you that okay, the knot position is set. And same goes for the initial position. I want same as my initial position, so this is also set. Now let me give a guest bedroom. So I'll just connect one room with the guest also. So this is the gate. This might be the gate for the guest bedroom. Here goes the guest bedroom. Submit. Same will do from the guest bedroom. We're gonna connect the lobby area so that it can be a flow. Like it shouldn't be something that your client will have to think that okay, from here where should I go. So you might wanna add everything and make it a flow. Here I'll add it to the lobby. Submit. Let me tell you one more special thing. So here you can see that here is a study table. Now I want some kind of design here to show my client what kind of a study table I'm thinking about. So here again I'll go to inspiration. I'll type here study. You can see so many images coming for the study table inspirations or image and ideation. You just have to like show your client that what kind of design you are thinking, and you can just go forward and see other designs also if you there are so many images. Let me tell you one more thing. Now, right now, you can see the global and custom here. So, if you actually are making, especially for some client, kind of some client, and you have a project, then you can select your project from this edit button. You can just assign this virtual tool in some in any project for the client whom you are making, and just submit it. You can see that here it is showing the project name, and now when you click on the inspiration, you can see all the shortlisted recommended photos. Right now it is not there because the client hasn't selected any photo in their client tab, but you can definitely see that. Now I want a study table, kind of this kind of idea maybe, so yeah, I'll add this. I'll bring up this image here, drop it down, and add my study table. Submit. So you can also add some kind of information if you want to add in your virtual tool. I'll add this curtain. I want curtains का product link. It's a flower pattern, I would say. For the link, I'll go to my Amazon, select something from here. Okay, this is the tool I'm selecting. This is a curtain I'm selecting. I'll copy the link. I'll come back to my tool and paste it here and submit. So here they can see the product link and they can directly go and see that what kind of curtains we are thinking. You don't have to actually design the flower curtains. You can give some idea from attaching it here. As for the kitchen also, it has been connected. So let's also reconnect it to the floor plan. It will be easy to actually go to the floor plan, but you'll also get a thumbnail there while showing it. So that's fine. And study table. Okay. So your virtual tour is ready. Here you will see the details. I have connected images here one only. So it will show me one. Other things are zero because I haven't connected any product or any info. So now what you can do after creating the whole virtual tour, go onto the share button, click either copy the link and share it on their WhatsApp, or yeah, you can just share it on their WhatsApp by copying the link, and for yourself to see the preview, just click it here, go to this, or you can just click the copy the link from here. Now you can see here we have got our floor plan. If you want to go to the master bedroom, client can easily just click on here and they are landed to the washed master bedroom. See, super easy. They can just play with their play with the click of the mouse to rotate it. It's very simple. Now I'll go to the lobby. Here I'll click this and I landed on the lobby. Simple. In the lobby, as we can see, there are two rooms connected. It is a guest bedroom, it is the master bedroom. Again, I came into the master bedroom. Okay, sorry, I need to go to the guest bedroom. Sorry. So here I'll go to the guest bedroom. Yes. See, guest bedroom is here. If you click on the product link, you can see that here is the product link. The client can directly go to the product link if they want. And here is the image. When you click on this image, they can directly see what kind of a study table clearly, instead of very in a small images. They can easily see what kind of a study table I am thinking. If they want, they can say you change. And here is the hamburger icon which can help you to go on to the any kind of a screen that you want. The images name is written there. The kitchen, as I said, I can go to the floor plan and here I can see the kitchen is attached. I can just go there and see okay what kind of kitchen idea that they have thought. So we are done with our virtual tour, and now we are gonna go back to create the concept board. Let's click again the plus icon, create concept board. Let's name it something and create. Again here it is said to upload the floor plan. So when you upload a floor plan, it is very easy to navigate through because uploading floor plan will be very understandable to the client that okay what we are talking about. So the very good thing in the concept board is that you can see that image type is by default selected as image. Definitely you can change, but as in concept board you are going to play with the 2D images, so that's how it is. And here you're going to add the image. Now again, as I have showed you already from the virtual tool, you can add images. So right now here I am gonna add put it in some kind of project or any lead also you can put it, as you can see here. So yeah, here I have put it in the project. I can see where's my Invest project, just concept board for whom I am making basically. And here I'll just add some images on inspirations. As you can see, here is shortlisted images also there, some custom images, recommended images. Some client must have liked it or uploaded it. Right now, no more images is there in upload. I'll just add bedroom. So I'll just add this bedroom and maybe one more for the kids. So see, you got a kids bedroom. I'll just add this a small kids bedroom also there. I'll just show you very short video to make the concept board. It is very easy to navigate. I'll just click here. I'll just go to this again image. I'll add my master bedroom. I'll write master bedroom, submit. And same goes for the kids bedroom. So this is my kids bedroom. I'll add it here. Kids bedroom, kids room added. Now if you want to show like master bedroom here, this will be the bedside. I'll just attach the image here, and I also upload or maybe inspiration say I'll take wardrobe ka design. Okay, so in wardrobe I can see so many options. I want to give something like this. Here it is. Now I'll add this wardrobe also. This will be on this wall. I'll write here wardrobe, submit. As you can see, this is already here. I can just um, shift the place if I wanted to. And again, the same feature, you can just see how it is. Yeah, you can see the icons is visible here. If you add more information also, all the icons for information and everything will be visible. If you click here, you can just reach out to the bed. You can see, okay, the bed is here, and then you can just go to see the wardrobe. You can add the floor plan from here. Then you can see the kids bedroom for which you have done. If you can add information that, okay, I want this kind of a storage here, you can just write click yahan pe. So I'll go to this image. Suppose if I only want to take this storage idea from this image, I'll just add the information, write storage. We'll see this kind of storage can be made and submit. Voila, your concept board is totally ready. You can share the link, copy the link, share with your client, and see how your concept board is. You have created a very imaginative concept board. A client can see the whole image. Otherwise, it's very hard to see so many images in one space. And what are you thinking? You have the whole image, plus you have the recorded what kind of thing you have already suggested. And there you have it. With Dzylo's new concept board and virtual tool feature, you can take your project to the next level while you are presenting it in front of the clients or defining your own ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share, and subscribe for more such updates. Till then, happy designing.